In this video, we are going to see mostly asked Salesforce interview questions. So let's begin. Number 1. What is trigger? Trigger is a code that is executed before or after the record is updated or inserted. What is the difference between trigger and workflow? As we all know, workflows is an automated process that fire an action based on evaluation criteria and rule criteria. And trigger is the code that is executed on and after the record is updated or inserted. What is the static resources in Salesforce? This is the question number 3. As we all know that with the help of static resources, user can update zip file, image, jar file, JavaScript and CSS file that can be referred in an Visual Force page. The optimum size of static resources in Salesforce is 250 MB. What are the different types of reports available in Salesforce? There are total 4 types of reports available in Salesforce, such as tabular report, matrix report, summary report, joint report. Now we will come to tabular report. Tabular report that displays the grand total in table form. Matrix reports where grouping is based upon rows and columns. Summary reports are the detailed reports in which grouping is based on columns. Joint report which allows two or more reports to be joined in a single report. The sharing rules. The sharing rules are applied when an user wishes to allow access to the other users. With the help of sharing rules, if any user want to give and more access to the other users, they can do it. What is an object in Salesforce? An object is a database tab that contain a data specified to an organization. There are two types of objects in Salesforce. One is standard object and custom object. Standard object is created by default in Salesforce, such as account, contact, lead. These are the standard object. Custom object. A custom object is created by the user and can contain any information that the user wants. Question number 4. What happens to a master detail and a lookup relationship when a record is deleted? As we all know that the master detail relationship is tightly coupled relationship with tightly coupled relationship. All the details are deleted when the master detail is deleted. In lookup relationship, as we all know that it is a loosely coupled, the child record remain even when the parent record is deleted. How can you edit an Apex code in a production environment? As we all know, we cannot edit Apex code directly in a production environment. It needs to be done in a sandbox, then deployed in a production where an user with an author Apex permission can make the changes. 9. Explain the Salesforce dashboard. In Salesforce, the dashboard is a pictorial representation of reports. There are we can only make a 20 reports can be added in a single dashboard.